Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use IRS Form 1099 OID, also known as the Original Issue Discount Form. So this form is usually sent to you if you earned interest from certain investments like bonds, even if you didn't actually receive the money yet. It's important because the IRS still treats that amount as income, so you need to report it correctly on your tax return. So on your screen, you'll see the form. Let's go through the key parts step by step so that you know how to read and use it. At the top of this section, you'll find the payer's information and your information. So this includes names, addresses, and tax identification numbers. And make sure that these details are correct because they link the form to your tax record. Next, look at box 1. So this shows the original issued discount amount. So this is the main number that you'll report as income. Box 2 may show other periodic interest if there is any. And if you see an amount in box 4, that means federal income tax was already withheld. And you can include that when you file your taxes. And other boxes like your market discount or investment expenses may apply depending on your situation, so just review them carefully. At the bottom, there's a description section that tells you more about investment, like the type of bond. And when filing your taxes, you'll use the amounts from this form and report them in the correct income section. And that is it. Just review the form, check the amounts, and make sure everything is reported properly. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.